I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So, good morning everyone. Now it's time to leave Rajahmundry after 3 days of continuous cyclone in this area and the coastal area. Thank you. So let's go now. The hotel people are also wishing us happy journey after the sweet wishes. Let's go. I need to clean my okay, let's go. So this is the way, and that is the Godavari bridge. Yesterday I went in the bridge only. Why is he going like that? He doesn't know the area. Let's go, my boy. So yesterday I was roaming in Rajahmundry. As you saw it pole bhaiya. Hey Udra, let's go this way only. There is no way in that way. I don't think so. Reroute it, bro. This Google Maps is rerouting and making me confusion. So right now we are going to take a right here in the same main market, I think so. What is this market? I don't know. Kotapalli, something there. It's Kotapalli. And these are the streets of Rajahmundry or Rajamahendravaram. I was expecting a lot from Rajahmundry, but because of the cyclone everything changed and I had to change the plans. Now also nothing. Fire station. Almost Rajahmundry has everything. We have to take a right here. He saw my signal. There is a lot of traffic here. Thank you. It's coming in. This is another temple, Godavari Bund Road, and the fog lamps were repaired yesterday. We repaired it actually. Now they are fit a bit stiff also. No issue. So now we are going towards the village side of Andhra Pradesh, the greenery part. These are the coastal parts of Andhra Pradesh. Let's go and explore. Godavari Bund Road. This is Godavari Bund Road, it seems. Check out this river, Godavari. Yesterday we had seen this one. The same route only. I was not knowing that we are going in the same route again. Most probably we are going to ride on Cotton Barrage, or I don't know. Let's check it out. The way goes there only, Cotton Barrage, Sir Arthur Cotton Barrage. Hope so. The rain shouldn't come. Let it come, but not in our way. Let it be cool like this one only. The heat we experience in the central part of India or the western part of Andhra Pradesh, it was unbearable, and these rains are showing the other way of life. I think we had to be on the same road only. Check this out. This is a sand bunk where sand is exported. Actually in this road only my fog lamp came into hand completely. So there was a welding done to my fog lamps. Check this out. It's a complete sandbank only. No, we are not crossing, I don't know. This is Godavari. Check it out. Another sandbank. So today's journey, I too don't know till where. Today's journey we have marked in the maps till Antarvedi, where Bay of Bengal, where Godavari meets Bay of Bengal, and another route is another station is Machilipatnam. Later we will think of for traveling more or halting somewhere. Let's check it out. We need some cash also. Pockets are empty, but it's fine right now. I am really surprised. I think Vikas has not slept last night. He was awaiting, but also I had to take care of him. There may be some frustrations because of override. Here only. Yes, till there I came only. Yes, we had to go on the Cotton Barrage. This is all Rajamundry only, Rajamahendravaram. Check out the streets of India as well as Rajamundry. There is a bit traffic here, but the temperature is okay. I don't think so. It was a localite. Yesterday the road was empty because rain was paused for a few minutes. That's it. Check out the cows. And now we are not going on the road bridge, I think. Yes, we are not going. We are taking straight. Yesterday we went in that way. That is the museum, Sir Arthur Museum. He is a great actor. I don't remember his name. If you remember, please do comment me, the Telugu people. Is this Sir M.V.? Ah, yes, it's Sir M. Vishwesvaraya only. And it is Vishwaram Road. Someone is honking. Okay, he is honking actually.
Coming from Karnataka?
కర్ణాటక అయింది. పూరి నుంచి వచ్చి పూరి నుంచి బెంగళూరు పోతున్నాం. అంటే బెంగళూరు చూసినాం నిన్న నిన్న కవర్ చేసినాం. వస్తుంది బెంగళూరే. చూసినాం నిన్న యాక్చువల్లీ. ఓకే 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 మేము అంతర్వేది పోతున్నాం. అట్ట కూడా పోవచ్చా? నేను అది కవర్ చేసినాను నిన్న. ఓకే ఓకే.
అంతర్వేది దిండి ఒకటి ఉంటుంది. దిండిలో కూడా బాగుంటుంది. మీ స్టే చేయాలి, దిండిలో చేయొచ్చు.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే.
అంతర్వేది రావులపాలెం ఉంటుంది. రావులపాలెం తర్వాత జొన్నాడు ఉంటుంది. అక్కడ నుంచి లెఫ్ట్కి వెళ్తే స్ట్రైట్ రాజోలు ఒకటే రోడ్. ఒక 30 కిలోమీటర్ ఉంటుంది ఫ్రమ్ రావులపాలెం.
ఓకే ఓకే.
టెంపుల్ బాగానే ఉంటుంది.
ఓకే ఓకే.
అంతర్వేది టెంపుల్ తర్వాత ఒక సీ ఉంటుంది. 2 సీ కలుస్తాయి.
ఓకే.
మళ్ళీ మీరు బెంగళూరు వెళ్ళిపోతారా?
అలానే
2 hours విజయవాడ.
చూసిన. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ. సో నైస్ ఆఫ్ హిమ్. హీ వాజ్ ఎంకరేజెస్ ఆఫ్ a tourist boy. He was honking for me only. Yesterday actually I covered that barrage. That's a tourist spot only, Sir Arthur Cotton's. As I said yesterday, he was more concerned about this one only. A nice fellow. It feels good if someone comes and talks to you in an unknown area. He is also a rider from heart, I think so. He loves to ride, I think. Is he seeing? He was not seeing. Let's go. This is all because of Sir Arthur, it seems. Done many things to this area, it seems. I need to check my brakes once. Sometimes it gets dead. Why, I don't know. Here we have to take a right. Let's go now. This was a small bridge, I think. Vemagiri. Check out these nurseries. And one more thing, these nurseries are famous in Rajamundry. All over the world they supply. And they have many varieties I have seen in the other channels. Check out these nurseries. There are many nurseries, it seems. Shiva Parvati nursery. See, this whole part is full of nursery only. out, only nurseries, nothing else. Whatever plant you want, you can have it. Everywhere I just see the nurseries only. It's better to close my visor. There is a lot of wind here. There are only nurseries, Baba. From past 5 to 10 kilometers, I am just seeing the nurseries. Check this out. Only the nurseries. This Creta fellow is very urgent. I think he is suffering from sugar or diabetes. Can't control his urine also, I think so. Let it be. Let him go. Churches are, many churches are there here. Sri Sai Ramakrishna Nursery, one more nursery. Full of nurseries only. This is Ashoka tree or what? Yes, it's Ashoka only maybe. And they say that there are imports and exports of the saplings, it seems. See, you can see he's carrying from Bangkok and Thailand also. We will get our bougainvillea, it seems. Varieties of bougainvillea in this area. Oh, this is 216A, it seems. I think we had traveled on this highway before also. Somewhere around Vijayawada or somewhere, I think. I don't know, I don't remember. All these plants and cultivation, everything is Godavari's blessing only, river Godavari's. That's why I think so civilization started near the rivers actually. Check out the greenery. So this is my India. Check out the hut. Check here the bullock cart. Now also going. We have a bridge again. This side it's like Mysore-Bangalore highway only. Oh, Pushkar Ghat Godavari. Bridge name is only Pushkar Ghat Godavari Bridge, it seems. So let's go and check it out. So this road also goes to Chennai only, Vijayawada also, Elur also. Or we are not going to Vijayawada. This is Pushkar Ghat Bridge, it seems. There are two bridges mostly. Which one is old? I don't know. Both are the same, I think so. Oh, check this out. They have not left the water in the dams of Godavari. That's why it's so dry. Check it out, boys. This is also a big one. This is too vast. You can see coconut plantation from all over. You can see if you check it on the banks and interior also. I think if drone was there, we could have seen from top angle. St. Patrick's Academy, it seems. Here ends the bridge. This is Ravulapalam, I think. That man was saying that it's first you go to Ravulapalam. From Ravulapalam you go to Dindi. You said to go to Dindi. Dindi you can stay, he was saying. It's a bit hot in this area. That too today only I think. Clouds are ready to pour. But please clouds, please don't pour. Panchamahabhutalara. Oh, this is Ravulapalam. It's a big vast city. No traffic right now. I mean no traffic signals, I think. We'll take a break somewhere here after this city or the town. This is Ravulapalam. Check out the streets and the shops. I'm sweating a bit. Most probably rain is going to come, but please rain God. And clouds also. Panchamahabhutalara, Kaparandi, Rajamundri, Narsapuram. This fellow is also not doing, that fellow is also not going. It's better we only go. It's better to have a cup of coffee somewhere. We have restaurants. My bum is also aching. Fuel is there. For today I think Vijayawada is the center for everything. Now we have to take a left there. We have to leave this highway, I think, another 1 kilometer. It's time to leave this highway. And in this area there are small districts. As if size of Goa se chota shayad. We have to take a left and we will take a break also. I thought he is honking.